I'm here at Salem Lutheran Old Cemetery, and you could see all the headstones here. Many deaths occurred during the years of 1914 to 1918 because of World War I, and also the years of 1939 and 1945. There were many deaths because of World War II. And many children passed away in the years of 1918 and the 1920s because of the flu. You can see here the differences in the tombstones. This is an older tombstone which is made of concrete, and you can see how it's cracked and poorly maintained. Whereas a newer version, here recently, newer headstones are usually made of granite or marble, which costs a lot more, but they last through time a lot better. They don't erode away or weather. You can see though many of these headstones are cracked and chipped away because of the maintenance crew that comes in and mows the grass and weed eats along the edges, and that's how the mechanical weathering around the tombstone here is cracked and chipped, and also just because the concrete doesn't last and it cracks over time.